You know, I've been on this journey trying to figure out how to get that slim waist everyone talks about. It's like this elusive dream, right? You see all these influencers flaunting their flat tummies, and you think, what's their secret? Well, I've stumbled upon something that's not just about crunches and salads. It's yoga. Yes, yoga. It's not just about finding your zen, it's about sculpting your body too. So, let me share with you 10 yoga poses that can help reduce belly fat and might just transform your waistline. First up, we have the classic plank pose. It's like a full-body workout in one. You hold your body straight, engaging your core, and trust me, you'll feel the burn. It's not just about strength, it's about stability. Then there's the boat pose. Picture yourself balancing on your sit bones, legs lifted, and your core screaming for mercy. But that's where the magic happens. It's all about building those deep abdominal muscles. Next, we have the Warrior 3. It's not just a pose, it's a statement. You're standing on one leg, arms stretched forward, and you feel like you're flying. It's incredible for your balance and your core. And let's not forget the side plank. It's a twist on the classic plank, literally. You shift your weight to one side, and suddenly, your obliques are on fire. It's like a wake-up call for those side muscles. Now, let's talk about the bridge pose. You lie on your back, lift your hips, and it's like you're creating a bridge to a flatter belly. It opens up your chest and strengthens your core. And then there's the cobra pose. You lie on your stomach, push up, and feel that stretch in your abdomen. It's rejuvenating, and it helps with digestion, which is key for a flat tummy. Moving on, we have the triangle pose. You stretch your body to the side, and it's like a gentle twist that targets your waist. It's all about lengthening and toning. And don't underestimate the power of the cat-cow stretch. It's a dynamic duo that warms up your spine and engages your core. It's like a gentle massage for your belly. Lastly, we can't forget the downward dog. It's a full-body stretch that engages your core while giving you that refreshing feeling. And finally, the child's pose. It's a resting pose, but it's also a moment to connect with your breath and reflect on your practice. So, there you have it. 10 yoga poses that can help you on your journey to a slimmer waist. It's not just about the poses, it's about the commitment to yourself. Embrace the process, and who knows, you might just find that slim waist you've been dreaming of.